Good afternoon, each and everyone. I am the second reporter assigned in assessing computer-based assessment. I am Nurhailin Suma Makawali. It is quite obvious that assessment that run on a computer are computer-based assessment. But here's what confuses many people is that all assessment are online. All assessment or are all computer-based assessment online assessment? The answer is maybe people would ask that it is always online, but the answer is no. All online assessment are computer-based, but not all computer-based assessment are online. So the first is offline assessment. Offline assessment, there are assessments that are created on a computer-based test software and are available only on a single device. These tests are offline, so a single set of tests cannot be taken on two devices simultaneously, and responses are stored in database. The grades are assigned manually and the report are prepared much later. The second is the online assessment. Online computer-based tests are created using online assessment software, so they can be taken anywhere, anytime, on any devices. Online assessment in education is vital since a single set of tests or assessment can be attempted to many devices at the same time. To answer that, it can be automatically graded and the responses are stored in auto-generate report. This report can be visited anytime by the instructor to review the individual or group performance. You can easily create reports using an online assessment tool. How does a computer-based online assessment work? Okay, in online computer-based assessment, it is a broad term that encompasses several types testing tools and technologies. One of the most common tools is the number one computer-based assessment software in which an instructor uses this web-based assessment software to create and share an assessment, the third one. Then after that, then the instructor provides a link, the fourth, to the student who take the assessment online. And then online assessment creator automatically take care of all of the administrative tasks like tracking who has completed the test, collecting data such as how much time students spend on each question, and even grading the test and providing feedback to the student. Okay, benefit of computer-based assessment. Well, actually, any feature that makes any assessing task of someone easier and accurate is considered these advantages. Okay, number one is the efficiency. It takes less time for a teacher to prepare, distribute, and grade online tests compared to test paper or paper test. Second is the convenience. Student can take the assessment at a convenient time and place they choose rather than giving to take it at a fixed schedule. Third is the automatic scoring with instant feedback. Using a computer can automatically score the assessment and provide students with immediate feedback on their performance. Analytic and reports. The computer-based examination software enable you or us to make data-driven decision as it collects a large amount of the data that can help you identify who is having trouble and also improve the assessment over time. Security configuration, or it is the thing that what we call pen. Only assessment creator have a variety of feature to prevent cheating and unauthorized access. Less human error. Computer-based assessment removes a significant amount of human errors such as grading errors. And lastly is the reusability create tests and even individual questions once and reuse them easily on other assessment. Now that you may know about the advantages, these have the different types of computerized assessment that can be useful. Types of computer-based assessment. Actually, this definition is very broad and within its several subcategories, here are only two of the most type of computer-based assessment. Number one is the assessment embodied within a learning modules. This type is the most similar to the original computer-based training. Here is only assessment are embedded with a large e-learning module so that all of the student learning activities takes place on the computer. For example is when a student might watch a video that has comprehensive question contained within it, or a student may complete a full e-learning module that calculate in a final test. Third one is standalone online assessment. This type is relatively new and it is being used in all kind of learning environments, including in-person courses. Here an instruction uses an online assessment creator to develop their quizzes and tests, which students then take using of online platforms. Online assessment may have many possible applications from traditional chapter quizzes to finals exam. They can also be used to boost student engagement and measure retention on an ongoing basis. An example is that if an educator could start every class with a very short quiz, then that student take on their smartphones. Maybe they are collecting the answers, etc. That would be all and thank you.